This one caught me off guard.
A mouse walks its cage while focused ultrasound flips neurons deep inside its brain. Nothing implanted, no hole in the skull. Washington University, 2024. The switch is a protein you already know by taste. TRPA1, the Wasabi receptor. Chalasani's lab at Salk found it opens under ultrasound alone. No light, no fiber, no microbubbles. Other groups borrowed from bacteria. MscL, a membrane tension valve retuned by one mutation, firing mouse striatum in under a second. Which raises the harder question, who is this for? It's aimed at a gap. Deep brain stimulation has reached roughly 200,000 people. Parkinson's alone affects something like 10 million. The barrier is the drill and the wires. Optogenetics faced the same wall and answered with a glass fiber threaded through bone. Ultrasound just walks through it. Same commands, delivered more like Wi-Fi. But passing through bone isn't aiming. The beam floods every cell it touches, only neurons carrying the engineered channel answer. Sound is the announcement. The gene is the vocabulary. That specificity is exactly what 2018 put in doubt. Caltech work showed ultrasound pulses were mostly making mice hear a click. Deafened animals barely responded, so the controls changed. Deaf animals, sham pulses, and channel-carrying neurons compared with normal ones in the same brain. The 2022 Salk paper cleared that bar. Clearing it just moved the bottleneck. It isn't sound anymore. It's the gene. Sonogenetics inherits AAV delivery whole. Immune risk. No easy redose. No undo. Price tags past $2 million. That's why the money hasn't arrived where you'd expect. In the funding record we pulled, no clinical trial, no venture round, no pure play sonogenetics company. The value sits in transducers. So the next milestone is unglamorous. A primate, a real skull, a measured acoustic dose response curve. If that lands, the first human target is likelier a nerve or a retina than a deep brain circuit. The quiet comfort is the two-key design. The beam is useless without a gene the patient agreed to. Full report, caveats, and funding map at KPsphere.com. Subscribe. We hedge what the sources hedge.
Follow for daily signals.